Hello everyone, welcome to the new section, tuples. Here in this section, I'm going to tell you about tuples. Just like in the previous section, I explained about lists. So here we'll discuss about tuples, different types of operations we can perform on tuples, like built-in functions available on tuples, methods we can use on tuples, indexing and slicing on tuples, and all such things we'll discuss. So this is the introduction to tuples. So let's get started. These are tuples. Let's see introduction to tuples. Like tuples are also very similar to lists, but the thing is tuples are immutable. That means we cannot change the values of a tuple. Like in the previous section we have seen lists where we can change the value, we can access a value using its index and we can change the value. But here in tuples we cannot change the values. These are immutable. That means unchangeable. We cannot change the values once we are defined. So that is the main thing, difference between list and tuple. And we can define a tuple with opening and closing parentheses. Like in the list we have opening and closing square brackets. In tuple we use parentheses. So this is the syntax of a tuple, and the items in tuple need not to be of same type, similar to list. So this is an example of a tuple. The only difference is we use the square brackets in list and we use parentheses in tuples. And also tuples are immutable. That means we cannot change the values in tuples. That means we cannot access, we cannot modify, we cannot use indexing, we cannot get an element by its index and change its value, and such things are not possible. We cannot sort it, we cannot reverse it, which we have done in all the previous list example. So we can't do all those in this tuple. Let me open PyCharm IDE. So this is the list file which I've used in the previous section. So I'll create a new file, new Python file. New Python file, and I'll call it as tuples. So as I said, tuple will initialize the tuple using this 1, 2, 3, 4.5 through 6. So this a tuple, I have initialized a tuple. So what I'll do, I'll just print the tuple. Actually you won't see anything, you'll just see all these items as it is, because you're not doing any operations on these tuples. It's just an introduction to tuple. Let's see what it prints. You can see it printed 1, 2, 3, 4.5, 2 and 6. So this is the tuple, guys.